Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Nesara Gowda. Those who are new to my channel, here I'll be uploading your weekly, monthly love career prediction based on your sun, moon and rising sign. This video is going to be for Cancer, sun, moon and rising sign. This is from the mid-month of the June till the mid-month of the July. This is going to be general reading, so it might or it might not resonate with every single person who watches it. If it does resonate with you, then please do consider subscribing my channel. In this video, we're going to take a look at your past, present and future situation. We're going to clarify some cards for you and end up the video pulling some advice through oracle cards. This is going to be for Cancer, in the recent past we have the Seven of Pentacles, we have the Knight of Swords, we have the King of Wands. In the present we have the Knight of Cups, there is the Six of Swords, there is the Three of Pentacles. In the future we have the Six of Wands, there is the Devil, there is the Tower. Okay, the challenge for the week is the Eight of Swords. The challenge for the week has to do something with coming out of that confused state. If this month is going to get some confused state with some situation, it could be related to relationship, related to career, you end up being stuck or confused. What should I have to move? What should be the next move towards the situation? You might end up thinking a lot in your mind. Though you have answers within yourself, you might get blocked in order to take some action towards it. You feel like there is something lacking, okay, in order to make some decision towards a person, towards a situation. Okay, some situation might break you very badly, but you are might end up being stuck towards the situation. Okay, something might happen which blocks your thinking. We're going to clarify it. In the recent past we have the Seven of Pentacles, there is the Knight of Swords, there is the King of Wands. Okay, for many of you, there is someone in the recent past. Okay, it could be an air sign, it could be a fire sign. Okay, you guys were waiting something from this person. In order to hear something from this person who is coming your way, you were waiting for the situation, for this right situation, in order to confront between these two people. Okay, this could be something cutting off a person from your life, or it could be something related to your career, related to your future. You just waiting for an opportunity. You patiently waited for someone to deliver you something, and finally there was a person in the recent past who delivered you about an information about something. Okay, I see someone rushing towards that situation, a particular situation. You were waiting for it, rushing towards that situation. Okay, we're going to clarify. In the present we have the Knight of Cups, there is the Six of Swords, there is the Three of Pentacles. For many of you in the present moment, you are offering something to other person who might have left you in the recent past, or who might moved away from you. You just want to get that person back into your life. Though this person is acting detached, but you really want to work out a situation between you and this person. We're going to clarify. In the future there is a Six of Wands, there is a Devil, there is the Tower. This could be related to a fire sign. There's a situation which you have to deal with it. Okay, there is lot of progression, okay, in this situation. This could be you want to detach from someone or something in the future which is kind of controlling you. Okay, you just want to enjoy your moment, enjoy your life, but this kind of detaching you. Okay, this person, the situation could be controlling you, or it could be restricting you. You're finally, I see that you're coming out of that situation. Though this coming out of the situation break your heart, or break someone's heart, break a situation or someone's beliefs, if coming out of that situation means breaking someone's heart, you're ready to do it in order to get from that situation, from toxic person, toxic relationship. You're ready to break anything in the future. We're going to clarify. Before everything, we are going to clarify the challenge for the week. You are finally, I see that you are coming out of your head. coming out of something which was restricting you. You're finally coming out of it, coming out of that confusion, sorry. I'm going to clarify the Eight of Swords. The Eight of Swords is clarified by the Queen of Swords, by the Stars, by the Hierophant. This is something, there's a situation in the present moment, someone controlling you. This is the situation about someone controlling you. You just don't want to be in this situation. You're just hoping to come out of that person from that situation who is like making you some sort of things but which you do not want to. This person could be asking you something which you do not want to answer. Okay, finally I see that you're not losing hopes in order to get out of this person, out of this situation, to come out of this tough situation. You're feeling suffocated. You might feel suffocated this week. This could be related to a commitment. Okay, you might be in confusion about this person, something going on in your head. Okay, this is everything going on in your head about this person. Okay, you're finally getting to a committed decision. You might come out, maybe some of you might get into a relationship or something. You commit to your beliefs, whatever you're thinking, you're like not letting go. There's a challenge for the week. You're not letting go what you believe in. You're not losing the hope with what you believe in. Okay, that is kind of having confusion with that. You're not letting go your beliefs and coming out of that situation. There's a challenge for the week. Okay, in the recent past, I see someone was waiting for something very long, someone was patiently waiting for something. They didn't give up. Okay, in the recent past, we're going to clarify the Seven of Pentacles. The Seven of Pentacles is clarified by the Nine of Cups, by the Knight of Wands, by the Seven of Wands. Okay, this could be you had something in the past, like there was an opportunity to fulfill your satisfaction. This could be related to this person, the Knight of Wands, who is there in the past situation. Definitely this is related to a fire sign, Aries, Sagittarius, Leo. I feel this person was restricting you, like pushing you in the recent past. You're just hoping for something like from this person, but actually this person was kind of pushing you from getting to know for something which you have been waiting for. This person didn't let you to know something in the recent past. This person was constantly pushing you from knowing something. I see someone taking action in the past situation. We're going to clarify the Knight of Wands. Someone entered into your life to deliver something. Okay, there is the Page of Swords. This person delivered you some messages in the recent past about a person. I feel like that, about a person to whom you were like, who was pushing you very constantly. About that person, someone is going to, okay, there is Ten of Wands, there is the King of Pentacles. Okay, there could be someone coming your way in the past situation. They said something about that person. Okay, about that restricting person. I see you really working towards the situation in the recent past. You are trying, though this person, the situation was giving you a lot of burden. I see you are working toward the situation in order to get something, in order to get the happiness, in order to get the stability in you. Okay, this person might give you a lot of happiness. Okay, you are like, you tried a lot to get those happiness in the past, but I see this person was restricting you, so you didn't let go. Okay, you are constantly hearing some messages about them, though it was like giving you a lot of burden, but still you are working out, because you want that stability in your life, you want that happiness in your life. We're going to clarify the Knight of Wands. What is this person is all about in the recent past? Tell me about the person about whom we are asking. The Knight of Wands is clarified by the Sun. There's a lot of happiness. The Four of Cups. The Four of Wands. Definitely this person could be neglecting you neglected in the past, because you find a lot of happiness with this person. Though this person neglected you very badly at each and every moment, I see you are not ready to give up. You want this person to be with you. For many of you, you got into connection like this. There was outcome was could be happy also. Okay, we don't know the result. This is everything happened in the past. In the present, we're gonna clarify the Knight of Cups. You're still offering something to someone in the present moment. We're gonna clarify the Knight of Cups for you. You're still offering something. The Knight of Cups is clarified by the Ace of Cups, the Ace of Swords, the Five of Pentacles. You just don't want to lose this person. Okay, you just don't want to lose this person. You're like you're just offering love towards this person because you want a fresh relationship. You want to start relationship with this person. Though this person is kind of moving far away from you, you really want to take some action, do some communication with this person, have some communication with this person. I say this person is constantly rejecting you or neglecting you, pushing you. Okay, you're not ready to give up. You really want to work with the things. Okay, in the present situation, I see someone is working out towards something in the present situation. Someone is working towards a situation. What is that all about? It's clarified by the Four of Pentacles, the Magician, the Seven of Pentacles. You are constantly putting a lot of 100% effort towards this person, but this person is not ready to express what they have in their mind. Not ready. Though you are not giving up with your wishes, you are like constantly acting towards your manifestation. You are manifesting this person constantly, but I see this person made you ended up waiting for them. Okay, you're just working out the situation, but you're not getting the result what you want, because this person is constantly detaching from the situation. In the future, I see you're finally feeling happy, feeling rewarded for your work. Okay, we're going to clarify the Six of Wands. This could be you or this could be your person who is feeling happy, like finally achieved something kind of feelings in the future. The Six of Wands is clarified by the King of Wands, the Ten of Swords, the Three of Pentacles. Okay, there could be chances that you worked out whatever the working situation, you are like working towards something. Finally, there is a chances that this person could react. Okay, this person could be reacting towards the situation. This person, you just want to come out of that painful situation. You might come out of that painful situation in the future. Finally, this is related to a fire sign, definitely. Okay, finally you are coming out of your painful situation. You are working through things and you will be getting that satisfaction in the future. We're going to clarify what is that all about. About something which you had been working in the present situation. This is all about that. You will get some positive news about it. In the future, we're going to clarify the Devil. There is a Devil in the future situation. We're going to clarify it. You're like coming out of that control situation, someone like controlling situation. The challenge for the week is like, you should remember it, coming out of that confusion. The Devil is clarified by the Devil itself. I'm just checking if there is any. The Ace of Pentacles and the Empress. You might get an opportunity come out of this situation where you're feeling like so painful. You're constantly trying to work out with this person, constantly trying to get an opportunity. You finally get an opportunity to deal with this person. You see there is a lot of something, you might end up with something which has a lot of growth, which can lead you with a lot of growth with the situation. Okay, you might be wanting to end something. There is some unfinished business with this person. That's why you are constantly going behind this person very badly. Finally, you might get an opportunity in order to know about the person, about the situation in the future. There is a breakdown happening in the future. There's a tower moment. Something is like giving you a lot of pain in the future. We're going to clarify the tower. The tower is clarified by the 5 of swords, the 9 of swords, and the 6 of cups. Okay, many of you going through a lot of conflict with this person in the future, because you just want to come out of that thinking about this person, thinking negativity about a situation, being in anxiety. You just want to come out of that situation, so you're ready to do any sort of things. For many of you, you could be going back. This is many of you related to an ex, someone with whom you had some unfinished business. Okay, I see that though you're trying your best, but you ending up with some not happy situation this month. You just want to come out of this painful situation. You just want to work out between this person, but there is something which is like not letting you to come out of that painful situation. So the challenge for the week is actually you have to fight for it. Though this person could be very controlling, you just don't lose hopes. Just commit to your point of view, though this person is having a very different viewpoint. So the thing is, you have to come out of that painful situation. There may be an opportunity to get to know this person, why this person actually acted up being like a toxic to you. Okay, we're gonna pull some advice for Cancer people. Advice for the month. There's a lot more going on this month. Okay, maybe your season is coming in the way, the June. There's a chances of ending up something with someone. The advice is you are good enough. You really don't want this person, Cancer people. I know you get attached too fast to people. You'll get attached emotionally too fast to people. I know that, but still, you're good enough. This person is not for you. There is someone who brings a lot of stability, a lot of happiness, a lot of love in the future. So just wait for that person. This person is not for you. You're good enough. That's the thing. You really don't want anyone. Okay, you're strong to be on you. Okay, you just don't want. You can lead your life happily without this person. That is all I have for the Cancer people. If you guys like the video, then please don't forget to hit the like button. Please do subscribe to my channel. I shall see you all in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.